The quest for radiant, glass-like skin begins with a well-hydrated complexion. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle, hydrating cleanser. Next, apply a generous amount of hydrating toner. After toner, it's time for the star of the show, moisturizer. Massage the moisturizer into your skin using gentle upward motions. Once your skin is prepped and hydrated, it's time to create a luminous base for your glass skin makeup. This is where an illuminating primer comes in. An illuminating primer instantly brightens your complexion and creates a smooth canvas for your makeup. Choose a primer that contains light-reflecting particles. These particles help to diffuse light, minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. Apply a small amount of primer all over your face, or focus on areas where you want to add a touch of radiance, such as your cheekbones and brow bones. The illuminating primer not only adds a beautiful glow to your skin, but also helps your makeup last longer. It creates a barrier between your skin and makeup, preventing your foundation from settling into fine lines and pores. When selecting an illuminating primer, look for one that complements your skin tone. If you have fair skin, opt for a primer with a pearlescent finish. For medium to dark skin tones, a primer with gold or bronze shimmer will add a warm, healthy glow. The key to achieving a natural-looking glass skin makeup look is to use a lightweight foundation. Heavy foundations can look cakey and mask your skin's natural radiance. Opt for a foundation with a sheer to medium coverage that allows your skin to peek through. When applying foundation, use a damp beauty sponge or a fluffy brush for a seamless finish. Start by applying a small amount of foundation to the center of your face and blend outwards. Use light, tapping motions to blend the foundation evenly, avoiding any harsh lines. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to cover it up. If you have any blemishes or imperfections, you can always go back and spot conceal them after applying your foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Test the foundation on your jawline in natural light to ensure a seamless match. Section 4. Translucent powder. Maintaining a dewy glow without the shine. While we want our skin to look dewy and radiant, we don't want it to look oily. That's where translucent powder comes in. Translucent powder helps to set your makeup and control shine without mattifying your complexion. Use a large, fluffy brush to apply a light dusting of translucent powder to your T-zone. This is the area where your skin tends to get oily throughout the day. Avoid applying powder to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, as this can dull your natural glow. When choosing a translucent powder, look for one that is finely milled and doesn't leave a white cast on your skin. Some translucent powders even contain light-reflecting particles that can enhance your skin's natural radiance. Remember, less is more when it comes to translucent powder. You want to set your makeup and control shine without creating a flat, matte finish. Section 5. Enhancing your natural beauty. Brows, blush, and luminous lids. Now that you have a flawless, radiant base, it's time to enhance your natural features. Start by defining your brows with a brow pencil or powder. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color and use light, feathery strokes to create a natural-looking shape. Next, add a healthy flush of color to your cheeks with a cream blush. Cream blushes blend seamlessly into the skin, creating a natural, dewy finish. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. For a subtle, luminous effect on your eyelids, apply a shimmery eyeshadow in a champagne or rose gold shade. Use your fingertip to pat the eyeshadow onto your eyelids, focusing on the center of your lids for a brightening effect. Finish by applying a thin coat of black or brown mascara to your lashes. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. Use a light hand when applying your makeup and focus on creating a fresh, radiant look. Section 6. The final touch. Plump and natural lips for a youthful glow. To complete your glass skin makeup look, apply a moisturizing tinted lip balm to your lips. Tinted lip balms provide a sheer wash of color while keeping your lips hydrated and plump. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply it evenly to your lips. You can blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product and create a more natural finish. For a fuller-looking pout, you can apply a touch of clear lip gloss to the center of your lips. This will reflect light and make your lips appear plumper. Avoid using matte lipsticks, as these can make your lips look dry and accentuate any fine lines. Stick to hydrating formulas that will enhance your lips' natural beauty.